This is what I had back in my mind. Uh, they should take them to not a great big river, not too deep, where the fish are still coming up. Like take for instance Harvaqtuuq River. Uh, I think the Harvaqtuuq River would be the best spot to teach them how uh, those weirs and harpoons, lacers are used because I have a special spot in my heart for Harvaqtuuq. That's where I learned how to spear a fish when they're coming up or going down the river, and I know exactly where the weirs are made. They're probably all fallen down, but you'll probably the main big rocks that goes through that holds the rest of the weir up will probably be still standing.